The next thing I'd like to do is create a hexadecimal converter. So we need a new tab. Click on New Sheet here and rename it. So double click in there and call it Hex for short converter. And click OK. You need a title up here, Hexadecimal converter. Tidy that up, format it, make it bigger, bolder, merge and center. Add some colour if you like. So there will be a few parts to this. The first thing we're going to do is do a hex to binary converter. So we're going to call this section hex to binary. I'm going to create a little table, 2 by 2, all borders, and we're going to merge and center this part. Format it, do a bit of shading in there, a bit of light shading, and I'm going to just make these a little bit bigger. So, okay, so that's our little table for that one. And we're going to do the same down here, so I'm just going to copy these tables. Copy, Control C, Control V, and Control V. And this one we're going to replace that and say binary to denary, and this one down here, denary to hex. So in here we're going to put a formula, and we're going to use a function that is inbuilt this time in the Excel spreadsheet language. So equals, we start the formula off with equals hex, and you can see that they come up here. So hex to bin is the one we want. Hex to bin means hex to binary. Click on that one. And it says number. Well, actually, we're going to reference a cell here. So the cell we want to reference is this one here. This is where our hexadecimal code is going to go into. And comma. Places. Well, we want an 8-bit number. We're usually dealing with 8-bit, and on the GCSE, 8-bit is where we're aiming at. 8-bit is a byte, remember. Close your brackets, and you can test that. So, for example, if I put FF in there, I know that it's a very common one, FF, and it's equal to 255 in decimal, but it also means that all of the ones should display. Let's just check that out. And there we go. Over here, we're going to put in equals bin, stands for binary, to dec, which means decimal. And click on that one, and the number is, well, it's the cell reference over here. And close your brackets. And you can put a binary number in there, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think that's 7 characters. And that equals 1, 2, 2, very clever. And finally, I think you're probably guessing this now, equals dec to hex this time. Open brackets. The number is the cell reference, comma, and the number of places we want for our hexadecimal code. We're going to go as far as, 4 places. Close your brackets and hit enter. And we can put our denary number in there. So I'm going to put in 234, and it should come up with a hexadecimal code. And that completes this video.